Good afternoon. It's Wake Chicago here. 2/17/21, February 17th, 21. This is the CO, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, CO gas. I'll show you in a second. The East Coast is finally cleared up. Yesterday was not the case. It was double what it was the day before. Now that edge is falling off. It's just weird that it's anchored on both sides of the country. Just weird phenomenon. And here I got an email, or not an email, in the comments, one of the videos. They said, "Hey, take a look at our California regarding the one CO video I did." And so I'm looking at it, and then I realized none of it's over land. This is all over water, and it's been there for days. It was north of there. Now, I mean, here, I don't know what to make of it, but you can see the fine edge right there. And the land is over here. I mean, it's literally like a blob of mass just sitting in the water. I'm drawing the edge of the wall, the rough edge of the land there. So, where'd that come from? The wind's coming out of the west. See what I'm saying? It's been parked here. I mean, people are sending me messages, "Hey, our CO's real high." If the public is noticing it, I don't know. Maybe they put local news alerts or something. I doubt it. But the other thing that I think is very strange is all of that weird radar is right here. Right in here that we've been watching since Saturday. I'm sure there's an explanation because I'm sure it's temperature inversion like we thought maybe could be on the East Coast where it did get cold. But this has been here. I don't think it's freezing in California that I heard of. What is causing all the CO? CO comes from burning carbons, and it has to come from burning things. That you're covering all the way from Anaheim to a couple past Tijuana. So I don't know how many miles that is. I'm going to draw it down here. I could find out, but that's probably, 1,000 miles of CO gas by 300 miles wide, probably 200 miles, maybe. I don't know. I just see things. Let me erase this, and then I want to show you. Here, stand by. Okay. I think I'm recording again. My computer is still acting up. There we go, yeah. All right, so now, still yesterday. This is yesterday. All right, stand by. Yeah, we got carbon over Chicago down to Springfield now. A ton of it. Like, what is causing this? There's nothing burning. And then here's New Jersey. Oh, I scribbled wrong. Here's New Jersey. It moved south from D.C. or north to. It was in D.C. area yesterday. Now it's moving this way. Like, what is this blob? Like, I don't know. There's probably an explanation. It's just weird. You could see a line right here. Look, look how you got a bunch of car, and then it literally. I don't know. It just looks weird to me. This is so high. You're at 800 over here. You're in the red 500. I mean, what's causing this? I don't know. All right, stand by. All right, I just backed up. You can not tell me anymore this was temperature inversion. This is the carbon levels over the United States. The carbon now is blowing out all the way up to Greenland, Iceland area? That means something weird's going on here. I don't know. And then you look south of there and there's nothing in the ocean all the way south of us. But maybe that's from us making stuff, or it could be the whatever. But all of that stuff that was here, this carbon, is literally almost to Europe. And then look, now the Midwest is well. Why are there like only 3 hotspots? Like, what's causing this? What is Illinois now having a temperature inversion all of a sudden? Why are we? And if these are temperature inversion, why is this happening every day somewhere in this country? Like, it's not, the Arctic blast isn't that bad right now, especially up in here. This is just creepy looking. Anybody, please tell me what you think this is in the comments, because it looks like all of California is on fire. I mean, look over here. If you're looking right here, I mean, you would think those are forest fires. And then look, what's going on in central Illinois up to Chicago? We're breathing this, by the way. And by the way, this is literally, I showed you the other day, you get symptoms of asthma immediately. As soon as they hit certain levels, this can affect your health. So not just to do with the weather and the dark winter, why, what, and where is this coming from? I don't know. But it's creepy. I guarantee you it's creepy. Alright, welcome to the Dark Winter update. This is WAG Chicago. This has got me confused. I will be back.